Hi, this is Jamie for Gearbest. Today I'm here with this FIMI X8 SE, a new arriving drone at gearbest.com. 4K 100 million bytes per second with real-time transmission. Right here, the camera. This is amazing for videos taking, of course. This is a new arriving. It has this very top-to-notch camera, of course. 3-axis mechanical gimbals, ultra smooth, jolly-free videos. No more hand shaking. Definitely not gonna be shaky, even it's a little bit windy. Folding portable design. I'm gonna demonstrate right now. This one right here is already small enough, but it's actually foldable. Compared to the previous version, which is Mi Drone, it reduced 42.8% by the weight and also 70% by its actual space storage. 5 km control range. I have the controller right here with me. The expandable, by the way. It goes, the size-wise, it goes up to an iPad mini size that can be fit here. And also it comes with, in the box, 3 different types of cables. For UFC Type-C, for Android, regular Android USB cable, and also for Apple, of course. So battery-wise, for this one, it allows you for 33 minutes of constant flying non-stop. It's equipped with a 4500 milliamps of battery. Speed-wise, this one goes to up to 18 meters per second with a sense speed of 5 meters per second. So I personally really don't possess a drone, but what I've seen cases when I was traveling, when I was at places of interest, at pretty places, what I'm seeing is there are plenty of drone players, maybe like amateurs or newbies. They actually flew their drone for the first time and it just went disappear. So this is something that's worth about $300 US. It's definitely not something that you wanted to see one time and one time only, which is why this FIMI X8 SE actually equipped it with a self-returning system. It has GPS real-time tracking. It has a low battery returning reminder and the wind warning. Even it gets a little bit windy, it might get a little bit shaky. Your drone is gonna remind you to return it in case it actually, just went disappear and you never see it again. This is $300 US worth of possession. Do not get lost. You definitely wanna see it more than one time. So last but not the least, the altitude. I know there are a lot of restrictions when it comes to altitudes, but how powerful is this one? It actually goes all the way up to 5,000 meters of altitude. It's way more than enough for anywhere you need it. Even if you need to cross a mountain, it's fine. So that's pretty much it for today's FIMI X8 SE. This is Jamie, stay with us and I'll see you in the next video.